What's going on, Gas Gang? Yes, we are back with another sick video. Guys, just look behind me. Today we have got a 488 brake horsepower Subaru Wrx Sti. Guys, this is going to be sick, so stay tuned and let's get it. Lee, welcome to the channel.
All right, how's it going?
Oh, good, bro, good. So it's an interesting one today because, for one, this is only the second Subaru I've had on the channel, and they're generations apart. And in fact, in the intro, I was about to call this the Impreza.
Yeah, they don't call it the Impreza.
It's not an Impreza no more.
No, they dropped that name, just Wrx Sti now.
Strange, isn't it? Heritage and all that we were saying.
Yeah, everyone knows it's the Impreza.
Yeah, exactly. But anyway, it looks real cool. And I did also mention it's got 488 brake horsepower, which you tell me is actually quite a strong power figure for one of these cars, because they're not, I don't know, they struggle with getting tuned past a certain point.
Yeah,
right?
on the standard ECU, 400 is about their limit. But I fitted Civex, so now with the sky's the limit.
Yeah, wicked. And also, to get to that power, you've done extensive engine work.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell myself and people at home exactly kind of what you've done to the engine to get it to that kind of power?
Yeah. So it's fully forged. It's got dual injectors, front mount intercooler, SC48 turbo. Basically, the only thing I haven't done to it is meth or ethanol.
Oh, really?
Other than that, it's got the works.
It's built up, yeah. And controlled by Civex.
Yep.
You were telling me it's got a few party pieces too. Yeah,
it's got rolling boost, anti-lag, launch control, and 5 maps.
5 maps. When 2 ain't enough.
Yeah,
like, you know what I mean? No, wicked. I love it. And who's your tuner?
Scooby Clinic. It was Mark at Scooby Clinic, also known as Beef.
Okay, shout out to Beef.
Yes.
Cool. And supporting the power and the engine and all that, are we talking stock transmission? What's the drivetrain like?
Gearbox been fully reconditioned, and it's got carbon fibre synchros.
Wicked. And obviously 4-wheel drive. How does it put? It's damp today.
Yeah, it's damp. It's fully controllable by the diff. I can make it rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive.
Oh, you can make it rear-wheel drive?
Any percentage, yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
See, today is a school day. Today is a school day. It's going to be interesting.
Do little donuts or big donuts?
That's sick, bro. That is sick. Nah, do you know what? I've got to say, this car, it really does look the part, bro. Up close and personal, and we were saying they're pretty rare. You don't see a lot of them on the road.
No. Well, my missus does all the aesthetics. She's the controller of all the style, and I do the power and performance.
Proper tag team.
Yeah.
Let's talk about some of the exterior aesthetics. Do you want to touch on some of the things that have been done?
Yeah. So it's got the full splitter kit on the bottom. It's got rear spoiler diffuser. It's got a roof spoiler as well. She did black accents all around the car just to make it look nice. Yeah,
it looks very OEM plus, like you know what I mean. It doesn't look over the top, but I think it's very tastefully done, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Should we talk about the wheels, brakes, and suspension? Because am I led to believe they're all stock?
Everything's stock. Yeah.
Okay.
So
cool. It's weird though, because the ride height doesn't look bad.
No,
it looks about right.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
That's what I said. I just like it, and it handles amazing. The brakes are just about on their limit.
Okay.
But
cool.
They're doing good. They're all right.
Yeah, that's amazing. Well, listen, guys, who cares about stopping, innit? All right, wicked, cool. And then coming into the interior now, again, very OEM looking. In fact, had I not already known a few things that have been done here, I would have said nothing's been done. But do you want to touch on a couple of things that have been done in here?
Yep, so she's got special mats that are £300.
Jesus.
Like Napa leather, full Android head unit.
See, that looks very OEM.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? And you've got a little boost gauge kind of
that's
thing.
stock, yeah.
Oh, that's stock?
That's stock. That comes with all of them, yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
And I've got to say, the interior of this, I don't know why I expected it, and this not to offend any Subaru owner or anything like that, but I didn't expect. No, but I didn't expect it to look and feel this nice from the inside. If I'm honest, so I'm going the other way. I think again maybe living it with it might be different, but just like face value, it's a nice place to be.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's a lovely position.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
No.
Cool. Would you say so? In fact, you're not running any meth or anything like that.
Nope.
So we're making 488 on pump.
Yep, 99 run.
And you were also saying that there's perhaps not maybe one more powerful than this in the country.
I believe so. I don't know.
Yeah,
for
we
sure.
don't want to put that out there too much, but it's up there with the power figures.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, bro, I think we've pretty much touched on it all. Would you say?
Yeah,
yeah.
Definitely.
Cool. Well, let's go for a little rip in it.
Let's go.
Let's do it. All right, guys. So we are out in this WRX Sti, not an Impreza.
Yep.
And a revving.
Yeah.
Nice, crisp.
Yeah.
Subaru-esque.
Yep.
Boxer engine.
That's it. We got the burble.
Unique. No, I love it. I love it. Also, we heard a little bit of anti-lag there.
Yeah.
It's quite low profile, the anti-lag, isn't it? It's not in your face.
Yeah, exactly.
More of like a launch control kind of sound.
Yeah,
right,
that's it. Yeah.
But it sounds nice. You didn't mention what exhaust you had.
No, it's an Nvidia R400.
Okay.
So yeah, cat back, still got sports cats.
Sports cats too.
Yeah.
That sounds this nice.
Yeah.
Wow. What about headers? Do you say that?
Headers, yeah, it's got GT headers because otherwise it can't do the anti-lag because it'll melt the standard headers.
Okay,
So-
cool. Bro, listen, I think as much as I want to know, I think everyone at home probably wants to know. People don't go high power in these, and I think it's probably because of the price. Tell us how much it's cost you to get this.
Well, about 30k to get here.
That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, and that's perhaps why people don't take that step
Definitely.
to where we are now. But obviously, you're running some proper parts, Cyvex control, XYZ, like fully built engine. You've got to pay to play.
Yeah, exactly.
30K.
And to be safe. So
Yeah.
because this can do this power all day long.
That's right. No, fair play. So 488 brake.
Yeah.
First of all, let's get it. Okay. Wait, that's aggressive. Yes, the sound is so unique. We're getting the wastegate there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The dump valve. We're getting that rumble and the port. I noticed first gear almost as it's got like boost by gear. It seemed like the boost really coming strong in second, and then third like pull strong.
Yeah,
Pull strong.
nice.
What does it rev to? It seems like the rev range is quite short.
Yeah, 6.5.
Okay, yeah.
And the turbo comes in about 2.5, 3.
But the power delivery is very, let's say, OEM style.
Yeah, that's it. Linear, I like to call it.
Yeah. My word, guys. I'll try not to use it. All right, it's linear. But it's like you wouldn't. It doesn't seem like it's been molested. The car, like you know what I mean. It seems like it's been mapped very well. Like you know what I mean.
Yeah, he did a great job. Absolutely amazing.
But it's a strong power.
Yeah.
It's a strong power, and that rumble, bro. So unique. I love it. Alright, bro, so you're basically saying you're going to do a rolling launch and then a flat foot shift, yeah?
Yeah, here we go.
Give it to us. Third gear. Oh, yes! That's sick. That is sick. The rolling launch, bro. Give us the rolling launch again. Can you do it? What? So it's just from third, yeah?
Yeah.
The sound of it and it slingshots you off. Guys, that is sick. This pulls. Bro, when you're hitting that rolling launch, bro, that's when the car's coming to life.
Yes.
And I saw you ringed its neck a little bit more than you took it to 7.
Yeah.
It comes alive, man.
Yeah, loves it.
This is a quick car. Yeah, that felt really, really quick.
Yeah, I love
Feels
it.
solid though.
Yeah, it just takes it. and it's got all the safety features in place. Like I over revved it, and it just warned me.
Yeah,
like,
and it's nice when you get into the rev limiter. It gives you the beeping noise, isn't it?
Yeah.
It sounds wicked. And also, this isn't a light car.
No.
What does this weigh? Tell me what it weighs.
About 2 ton. It's like 1.8.
Bro, right, okay, it's a saloon car, but I would never have thought 1.8, and it doesn't from the passenger seat. It feels like it's shifting like a lighter car.
Yeah, it's lovely, and
it feels like the battery.
Hydraulic steering, so you really feel it.
Hydraulic steering too.
Yeah.
Alright, sick. So is that time? Is it gassed up 0 to 60s with a VBOX Performance Box Touch? Bro, today 4-wheel drive. Bit slippery out here though. Bit slippery. In fact, it's damp. So this will go down as a damp run. Right. I'm gonna do top 10s now. I used to do top 5. It's top 10s now. So you're on the leaderboard. Don't know where though. That's the only thing. What did these do 0 to 60 in stock?
5.4. So
5.4. So it's a quick time. But I think it's a beatable time.
It should be.
Well, we're hoping so. 30 grand, we're hoping so. All right, cool. Well, ever done a 0 to 60 launch in this or?
Nope.
No?
Never.
Okay,
Never.
cool.
First time.
It's going to be interesting. All right, guys, before we get into it, if you want to know exactly what we're using today, it's the VBOX Performance Box Touch. This thing is a sick bit of kit. If you want to know a little bit more about it, please check the links in the description. Sick is all I can say. Should we do it?
Let's do it.
All right, guys, so it's his first attempt. Bro, what, launch control, high boost?
Launch control, high boost, just get it.
When you're ready. Jesus Christ! 60. Okay, that was a great. I didn't know what was going on. I saw you panicking, I started panicking, then it went, the car was crazy. All right, guys, let me tell you the time. Your first attempt was a 5.05.
Oh, that's not
so
bad.
You've beat the stock time, 2 of us in the car.
With 4-wheel wheel spin.
Yeah, that was crazy. Are you going again?
Yep.
He's going again. All right, guys, so is his second attempt, bro. When you're ready, let's do it. Four-wheel drift. 60. Okay, that was slower. That was a 5.75. Wow, it's so aggressive. Like all 4 wheels are spinning and we're going to the side. Yeah, 5.75 unfortunately that time. Are you happy with your first time or are you going again?
One more, we'll give one more.
He's going again! Alright guys, so is his final attempt, bro, when you're ready? You're just gonna roll onto it as opposed to launch it?
Yeah, roll onto it.
Alright, let's do it. Oh no, you flopped it. Yeah. You flopped it. What are you saying? We leaving it there?
Yeah, leave it.
Yeah, you're leaving it at 60. You're nearly at 60. I think you're at 59 or something.
Oh man.
But mate, that feels so aggressive. I can't get over how aggressive. But anyway, a 5.05 for today. I'll put the leaderboard up now. I'm not sure where you are on the leaderboard, but you're on the leaderboard.
That's good.
Wet. 2 of us in the car, and it feels amazing when you do it.
I've never done it before.
Exactly.
So.
There you go. It's good. Hey.
Right.
STI time.
STI.
Guys, this car is sick, and do you know what? I learned a few things when, like, obviously we're cruising and through the talk, and it made me think this is a proper driver's car. Switchable rear wheel drive, hydraulic steering.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's you know what I mean? It's a driver's car, obviously manual, and then with all the toys you've got, the rolling launch got me, bro. Got me giggling like a kid, bro.
I love it.
I love all that. I love all that. Flat foot shifting, bro. This is a real sick car. It's been fun from the passenger seat. Sick.
It's going to be my first time here.
Oh, really? All right, I'm honoured. I'm honoured. All right, brother.
Here we go.
Let's do it. The throttle's very light, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very light. Wow, and the clutch isn't too heavy for an uprated clutch. Feels nice.
It's not too bad.
Nice, very manageable.
Yeah.
Good steering weight too.
Yeah.
Good steering weight. Okay, wants to go, it's eager, it's eager. Just come onto the power a little bit. That's very lightly, but the sound. And that's what you get from these kind of cars, especially Subarus, again, with the unique sound. You don't even have to drive them fast to get an enjoyable kind of, you know what I mean, environment going on.
I just don't think you can beat that Burble. I don't know anything.
It's so unique.
Maybe
it's
a V8.
Unique. But even then, you know, I don't know. This is such a sick sound. I love it. I love it. Cool. All right then. So, high boost, first pull, second gear. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Straight on boost. Look at that. That's sick. the pop between gears when you're at the limit. That's mad. That's mad. That is mad. Oh, that makes you feel alive, bro. Like, that's got me buzzing. You feel the vibration through the car, bro.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
you know what I mean? That rumble's getting to me. Wow. And when, like, just like, obviously it gives you the warning before, like, when it's time to change gear. And then you change gear and it gives you the pop from the exhaust and that, bro.
Oh, it just eggs you on.
Yeah, it does. That's what it's doing, bro. It's turning me to a bit of an Asbo.
Just
like,
go,
you know what I mean?
yeah.
That is mad. Guys, this is sick. This is sick. Alright guys, so I'm going to try a rolling launch now. So we need to be above 3k, third gear, and basically hold down cancel, build boost, let go cancel, yeah?
Yep.
Alright, let's get it. Hold down cancel, let go, yeah, that's lit, that's lit. Back down into third and the steering. Sounds like a rally car. It don't stop, does it?
No.
Wow. Nah, this car's naughty, bro.
Yeah.
This car's naughty. It eggs you on, innit?
That's it. Oh.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. It gets the blood going, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
All alive.
Oh, that's lit. Alright guys, so that is a wrap. All I can say is, man, it's probably only the second Subaru I've driven, and bro, they just don't disappoint.
They don't.
They don't disappoint. Yeah, I love Evos, but I mean, man, I think I love Subarus just as much. Like, I know it's usually one or the other, but this, bro, the way you got it set up, amazing, man.
Yeah, we had an Evo before, and it's just not the same. This is more mechanical. You feel it, whereas the Evo just does it all for you. You don't really feel it.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, well, you heard it here first. You know what I mean? Bro, thank you so much for coming down and letting me drive this piece. What a weapon. So much fun, so much smiles, like, you know what I mean?
Pleasure.
Is there anyone you want to shout out, any socials or anything like that?
Just thank you, Scooby Clinic, Mark and Kev, been amazing, and Dan, all been great, looked after me, so appreciate it.
Cool, well guys, I'll leave links to his social media below too. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today, and if you have enjoyed today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Make sure you go back and check some of my other content out too, because I know you like that. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.